look at this. So, good morning. Hi there. Ako, nahingal ako dahil. Hi. So, we are here sa isang train station na alternative route ng aking workplace. So ito yung route na dumarating ako sa workplace ko ng sobrang aga. Like now, time check, it's 10:07 and yung work ko is 10:30, pero magiging 10 o'clock din siya eventually daw. So pagsakay ko ng tram, 2 stations lang and nandun na ako sa workplace ko. So it means mga 20 minutes akong earlier. So I'm here. Ang aga-aga day, meron kaming orders para dito sa Just Eat and sa Uber. Di pa ako nagpapalit. May kasama na akong cook. Nandito siya, nagbibi siya. So, itutuloy ko na tong aking ginagawa. So it's a little bit busy down there and I am working, and also over there is busy. We have people die. Uy, uy, uy. So, tapos na yung aking lunch service and uuwi ako sa bahay para magpahinga, and then babalik ako dito ng 5:30 until 10:30 p.m. So, I'm so happy kasi maraming tao for today's video sa restaurant. Parang first time ko lang nakita na medyo puno yung restaurant, and then paulit-ulit. I mean, pagkatapos ng isang table, merong darating na guest, and then bago na naman. So, parang kumbaga kotang-kota, and then marami rin online orders na nagaganap. So, I'm happy like that kasi it's also good, of course, para sa restaurant, para meron kaming sweldohin. And for me, it's also good kasi hindi siya boring. Kasi kapag walang tao, masyadong boring yung restaurant. Alam mo yun. So now, everything is set. Can't wait to go home para makapagpahinga, and then naka 1.5 months na ako, in fairness. So this is the bus with the wires. Hello there. So now, go, go, go. Work ulit. Wow. So this is Friday night dito sa main train station sa Zurich. And I'm catching my train pauwi. So time check. It's 11:04 and my train is 11:09. Sarado na, my favorite Dunkin'. And this one is the train station. It is still cold. And grabe, sobrang saya ko kasi busy yung restaurant ng tanghali. And wala akong time mag-check ng phone sa dinner service. Sobrang dami nung tao. And busy siya. Hindi naman sobrang dami. I'm just exaggerating. Pero mas madami siya sa lunch. And pagkalis ng isang table, may darating palaging ganon. And yung pinaka-importante doon, maligaya sila. And they are satisfied. Kasi masarap naman talaga yung food. And of course, yung service ko maganda. So, tomorrow, ang pasok ko is 11 o'clock until 8:30 ata p.m. I will just have to check it again. Pero, hindi masyadong happy yung online orders, like yung mga app orders na mga food deliveries kasi konti lang yung nag-order. So parang feeling ko naman, you cannot have everything. Kapag maganda yung nangyayari sa loob ng restaurant, siguro okay na lang din kung hindi naman masyadong ganun kadami yung sa online. Kasi sa online, minsan mag-order sila pero isang piraso lang ng order. Like for example, one small soup, yung ganun. Tapos i-deliver pa, nakakaloka. Pero doon sa loob ng restaurant, nakakabenta ako ng mga cocktails. Well, non-alcoholic cocktails, wines, mga ganyan, tsaka desserts. So I think yun yung mas magandang tingnan. Pero syempre, mas maganda pa rin kung pareho siyang okay. So, inalam ko yung sistema kung paano ba yung totoong sistema nung online and nalaman ko siya ng very, very light. So, I will just try to help and ayusin ko na para sana next time pareho na siyang bongga, di ba?
Guys, I don't feel sick desperate.
Okay. Good morning. Hey. So, it's Saturday. Saturday morning. Pero ang lunch service ko is 11 o'clock. And now I'm here, of course, sa main train station. And daan tayo sa Dunkin' Donuts. Wow. Look at that. It's my favorite. I'm obsessed. Zweimal Boston Cream und Medium Milk Kaffee.
Ja.
So, I've got my Dunkin' Donuts. Wow. Oh my god. So I don't know what's going to happen for today's video. And hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko tomorrow. But probably mag-rest ako kasi pagod ako for the whole week. And naloloka lang ako kasi ang tanda ko na. Pero laban pa rin dahil. Okay, I am here. You know, I call this area like a little Paris. Kasi ang dami niyang mga old buildings na ganyan. Tsaka yun, no, look at that. That street over there. Meron pa doon. Siguro one day, maglilibot-libot ako para mag-film ng mga magagandang old apartments. Ganda ng mga apartments tayo. So anyway, kapag Saturday, I don't know if it's open, it's still closed. So kapag Saturday, ang opening nitong restaurant is 11 o'clock ng umaga. And for today's video, wala ako na namang kasama. Pero next week, may darating na bagong Chinese girl na, I don't know, younger version. And siguro makakasama ko siya. So, hintayin ko na lang yung mga kasama ko. Magyoyosi muna ako. Ito, yung mga apartments na ito, yung hindi masyadong kagandahang mga apartments. Look, I don't know. Very, very, very basic. Very, very simple. Ayan. Pero ito, ang cute. Itong old, itong very old apartments. Ang ganda niya. But, yung building na yan, look at that. It's wonderful. Para ka talaga nasa Paris. I love Paris. Let's go to Paris.